Okay, guys, by now you should have really known how to use the basic function of the training view. So here is what you need to do, guys. I want you to go and practice drawing horizontal line and the sloping line, or what we call the trend line, right? So same, I already taught you the last time. So look for 3 points, right? Go to the horizontal line, and then horizontal line, and then you find 3 point. Okay, don't be first time you're doing, you may not be so good. Don't worry, just click and then change the color. Okay, see, they give you many lines, so you right click, so it will not continue giving lines. So I got extra line here, right? I can if you, okay, you don't want, guys, you just right click this one. You can see the bin here, just click and then you will delete, right? So go and practice this. I want you guys, okay, now it's November, right, 2023. I want you guys to, you can drag up and down, right, to draw 2 years, right? You're going to find 2 years of chart, draw the chart for 2 years, right? So you can just play around with this, okay? So just look for 2 years, right? So so guys, how to reset after you do all this adjustment already? You want to reset, right? You any place here, right click, reset chart. Okay, so you go back to quite recent one and you can see better, right? Okay, you can move around and make it smaller. Okay, you can move around here, make it smaller, right? So guys, go and do this, right? After you finish, do it in daily chart. Okay, practice in daily chart first. Don't do 4 hour. Do daily chart until you're very good, right? So you want to do hourly 4 hour chart. Can you click? Let's suppose you already finish daily chart, right? The daily chart one is here. Now I'm in 4 hour. Click 4 hour. So now I can draw horizontal line on the 4 hour also, right? So same thing. I can look for, say, 4 point here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, but it's the same color as, right? So what I do, I need to differentiate, right? I want to differentiate my color. So my 4 hour chart, I want to use a different color, right? So this is a 4 hour chart, right? So I click here. I'll go to the pencil. Then I go to my green. Suppose so I differentiate. My blue is my daily chart. So my green here is my 4 hour chart. So I can tell the line is from which chart. Alright, guys, go and do 4 hourly chart first. Then do for 2 years. Right? After that, you do the 4 hour chart. Okay. After you finish this Euro Canadian pair, I want you to do practice the Euro US dollar, and you go follow the same for pound US dollar. Alright? Okay, guys, go and practice this, and after that I will tell you what's the next thing to do. Okay, guys, take action.